There is here 7 Great Pyrenees, one weimaraner, and one sprocker. The mother sprocker had 10, my Great Pyrenees had 9. So I spread them some because they were born the same time almost. Those Great Pyrenees, they just opened their eyes 3 days ago. They are just under 2 weeks old. I love you, Fluffy. I love you, honey. You're such a good girl. This is our porch. We closed it in. I allow the dogs in here to go out to the yard outside, a closed-in yard. We have a quarter section here, but I do divide them some for special reasons. What's amazing, we had 3 litters come in heat the same time. Beautiful dogs. Good mama. So when she comes in, the first thing she does is she cleans them out. Okay. Okay, honey, come here. You could come, honey, come here. You could go. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl. Yeah, you could find a nipple. Good mama. Oh, so beautiful. Look at her palm. Look at her. Look at her. She's so sweet. I love you. Actually, she still has some of the tiger stripes on her. I love you, Fluffy. It's really amazing how they accepted each other's babies. I love you, honey. I hope she'll find a nipple. She's a little small, this Great Pyrenees one. Did you find a nipple, honey? Did you find a nipple? The big ones are gonna fight over it. Yeah, here, find it. Find it before the other take it. Okay? Yeah, good girl. I just brought her back from outside. The mama. We had a nice walk. They pushed her out. Okay. They pushed her out. Poor baby. I just brought her today. Oh, they will have turns. But I know mom has more than 10 nipples. Trying to find the sucky. Yeah, you're trying to find the sucky. Look at that little one down there. He's the smallest. The mother is border collie and the father is a cocker spaniel. But she found a nipple and she is not letting go. I love you, Fluffy. You're such a good mama. Okay. There she is. There she is. Here, honey. Yeah. Could find a nipple. I love you, Fluffy. Oh, she gives me so many kisses every day, mama. I love you, honey. I love you. I love you. Kisses. Kisses to Papa. Kisses. Kiss it. Kiss to Papa. Yeah. There, they will find a nipple each. There, licky, licky, licky. I love you. Oh, she's so sweet. Did you find a nipple? I think she did. Yeah, she is. She's pushing milk in. She's pushing her udder and she found a nipple. Did you? Maybe not. Yeah, she did. Did she? Maybe not. Not yet, honey. Hmm? How about here? There. You see? No. That's taken. It's taken. She's loving the weimaraner. I think I'm gonna take one out here, the big one. Here, honey, yeah, there you go, yeah. There you go, yeah. Find that nipple, yeah. There you go. There you go. Thank you, Mama. Look how big this little baby is. Look how big he is. Is it a baby girl or a boy? What are you? Oh, she's a little girl. She's a little girl. She's a little girl. She looks like a polar bear. She's a little girl. She's going back to that nipple that the weimaraner I gave her. Yeah. Good girl, yeah, grab on and don't let go, honey, and don't let go. It's a long video already, but it's in detail. I love you, Mama. I love you. I love you. Okay, you take care, everybody. God bless you. I'm privileged. I wish every one of you will have set of babies in your home like this for your children or yourselves, just to watch the nature. Take care now. Bye-bye.